Hey, what's up? My name is Brandon. Check my page out. My name is Brandonguilbeaux on YouTube. Check me out. Today I'm going to be showing you some of my guns. My 22. Let me get it out for you. It's my Citadel arms. Right here. Get it out for y'all. This is how it came. Came with a nice box. Here's the gun. Let me get a little closer so y'all can see. Here's the gun. I'm gonna show y'all that in a minute. Show y'all what it came with. Box, bag, nice bag. Cleaning rod. Magazines, polymer magazines. 22, long rifle. Yes, it did come with 3 mags. And when I bought this gun, I bought it just for playing. Glasses, other grips. Box of Thunderbolt 22 bullets. And yeah, this video is on my 22 pistol. I'll show y'all a little something at the end. Something I put together. One of my 1022s. Here's the gun. I had to buy this. Found it in my closet. Didn't really have to buy it. Here's the gun. For y'all people out there, I already know this gun's not loaded. Check it all the time. Show y'all that it's not loaded. Lock it back. I don't know if y'all could see, but I could. I know the gun's not loaded. No magazine at all in the gun. 22. No magazine. And Citadel Chiappa firearms. It's a good gun. What I don't like about this gun, I'm going to get into the things I do like and don't like. First, I'm going to talk about the things I don't like. Trigger pull. This gun is about, I would say about an 8-pound trigger pull. Yeah, not really good, but me, I really don't care. I mean, I like a heavy trigger pull. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Depends what mood I'm in. There's a hammer. Show y'all the sights. I'll try to get a good sight picture. And here you go. 2 to 3 dot gun. Two red sights in the back, green sight in the front. It did come with another red sight, like the green sight. Sight's really good. And thing I like best about this gun, thing what really threw me on to buy this gun, is the grips. Rubber grips fit so perfect in your hand. I like that. And it just feels so good in your hand. I mean, you just whop it up, and bam, 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 bam. It's so good. Good target gun. You get going to the range and shooting, just bam, 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 bam. Pretty good gun. I like it. It is a fixed barrel. The barrel stays on the gun. Safety is where your trigger is. It's made to look just like a Colt 1911 or any other 1911. I like the way the 1911 fit in your hand. I was thinking about getting one. If y'all have a 1911 or y'all read about them, heard about them, shot one, please comment on my video. Tell me how they are. You know, I was thinking about going and get me one. Barrel's fixed. It's connected to the frame. See, most guns, when you cock the gun, the barrel would come up. This gun, barrel stays straight. That's what a fixed barrel does. Oh, let's see what else. What else about it? The slide is loose. It's supposed to be like that. When I first got the gun, you know, I didn't think it was supposed to come all the way back. But as you see, it come back like this, and it just got a little extra more pull. As you can see, it's supposed to be like that. Safety's thumb, your mag release right here. I'm gonna put in a clip to show you how the mag release is. The clip fits tight. You press the button, pull it out. See that again? I didn't like the way the clip fit in it. Let's just try another clip. Okay. You have to actually press the button and take the clip out. Alright. You see this clip does have bullets in it. But like I said, I'm checking the gun right now. I never cocked it. I know there's no bullets in it. Nothing. No bullets at all. No bullets in the chamber. No bullets. No magazine in it. And just to be careful, put it on safety. A magazine back in there. Other magazine back in here. And here's the case for it. Put that back in there. And now, like I said at the beginning of the video, I was going to show you something special. You wait here. Right there. This 22. Still not finished building it. All I need now is a scope. Oh, how do you like this? It has a Archangel stock, 1022. No bullets in the magazine. Bull barrel. Call this bipod. Front grip. Better magazine release. Pretty good gun. Like, all I'm missing now is my scope. Ain't got no sights on it. No, it looks weird. But this is a 26-inch barrel. Crazy. I got a Butler Creek. Show y'all what that looks like. Ain't got no bullets in the magazine. Check it out. Got a regular 10-round magazine stock. You already know what it comes with. See what else? Oh yeah. Favorite of all. 50-round drum. Bought this around $75. Academy. Show you what that looks like. No bullet, like I said, no bullets in magazine. check that out. Hope y'all can see that. I know I'm far away from the camera, but check it out. Very, very nice. Like I said, if y'all looking for a gun, extra quiet, go with a 1022 with a really long bull barrel. I think I'm lying. This gun right here sounds like a little BB gun. Yeah, really, a little BB gun. That's about it. Man, please watch my other videos. Like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, comment on. I want to know how to coat 1911s, or just comment on any pistol what you think is a really good gun. Yeah, I already got a Glock 40. I got a stuff like that. You know, just looking to get me a coat 1911, or you know, SD40, SD9. What else they got out there? They just have so much. I mean, what should I get? Another shotgun, a assault rifle, nice handgun. That's probably what I want. Just comment on my videos. Tell me how the coat 1911 is. Yeah, that's about it. Just comment on that. Thanks.